What features should be mentioned about Hoowel 27-inch 280Hz 240Hz curved gaming monitor? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Hoowel 27-inch curved gaming monitor 280Hz 240Hz refresh rate WQHD 2560 by 1440 resolution 2-port HDMI 2.1 and 1-port DP 1.4. Best esports gaming monitor for FPS, 16:9 aspect ratio, 280Hz, HDMI 2.1 with VRR for PS5, Xbox, PC gaming. Super fast and smooth. 2K WQHD resolution fast VA panel with 280Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond MPRT response time, FreeSync technology. AI gaming assistant features. Multiple game modes, gamer, FPS, RTS, RPG, combined with AI Crosshair, AI picture quality, and AI dynamic blue light to enhance targeting precision, optimize visuals, and reduce eye strain. Stunning visual quality, 5000:1 contrast ratio, 350 nits brightness, 134% sRGB, and 99% DCI-P3 wide color gamut deliver vivid, lifelike images. Anti-flicker and anti-glare technologies ensure comfortable viewing during long gaming sessions. Professional connectivity and design. Equipped with 2-port HDMI 2.1, up to 280Hz, and 1-port DP 1.4, up to 280Hz, plus an earphone jack and VESA 100 by 100 mm support. Includes one HDMI cable. Note: no built-in speakers. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.